Welcome back. In the United Kingdom, after initially feigning ignorance, the Bank of England has now admitted that there were animal-derived products in the £5 and £10 notes. Remember, prominent Hindu organizations in England have been campaigning against the use of these notes. Tallow, the product in question, gives a smooth finish to the notes, but UK's apex banking body is sticking to its stand in publishing these new polymer notes. Citing security and time constraints, the bank has said it has already spent £46 million in printing the new £5 polymer notes. The bank also claims that replacement of these notes will inflate the cost of printing each note and that the destruction of old notes would mean pumping in additional £50,000. Hindu groups, meanwhile, are not willing to give up the fight and are likely to seek a legal recourse.
Tell me, what was the outcome of the meeting?
Outcome was, after the meeting, we had a very good meeting, very cordial meeting with the Bank of England people, and the issues which we already raised by the vegan society. And Gurdwara people and other temples and the Jain community also. So they know what is the they knew what the issue was. So if we can say, first thing they said, we can't take it 5 and 10 back. 10 is not in the circulation, but it will come in the circulation soon in September 2017. Second thing they said, they are looking for an alternative for this, for the £20 note. Which is coming later in 2020 or something like that. Is a Bank of England website is saying 2020 is coming out. So they will look for an alternative for this. Thus they will do the consultation with each and every one. The first thing they said, they doesn't know anything about this before this one printed. It's raised by community. Before that, they doesn't know. This is the animal fat in this.
So they actually didn't know before they went into the process, and now that so much money has got into it, and 5 is already in circulation, 10 soon will be
ready
to be
come in circulation.
So it's difficult to pull it out, but they will look into the £20 note. That's brilliant. So any timeline given to you about when they would come out with an alternative, or if at all?
No, it's going to be a big lot of consultation is going on this. The new tender is not done for £20 notes. So we are just waiting for any other information given to us by them.
And there is a petition going on as well, isn't it?
Yes, it's so many, it's over 100,000 people has already signed that petition, and which they know is the concern of the Hindu community. And the Jain community, vegan society, everyone is doing it their own way, contacting them. And the Bank of England, first thing is they accepted this has happened.
Yes, so they accepted what they've... Do you think this petition could lead to a debate in the Parliament?
Hopefully, yes. Yes. We are also trying to contact with the, some MPs from the Parliament to raise this issue in the Parliament also.
Do you think have you found many MPs to your side?
No, we are working on that. We are working on that. So it takes time to do it all the time, But Hindu Council is working on that. And when we are ready, and we will contact and we find out how many MPs are helping us to do it. Because we got our own, what they call the MPs, which is doing the Hindu community in the Parliament representative, which is called a member of Parliament for the Hindu community. So we will talking to them. And
Bob Blackman,
Mr. Blackman is the chairman, Virendra Sharma is the deputy chair of that. We are working with them. If we find out when this will happen in the Parliament, we don't know yet.
Do you think the Indian government could step in, and would you expect or want that to happen at all?
No. We don't want the government involvement in this. Hindu community is capable here to deal with their issues locally here.